We get students from all over the world, and I remember one particular actor that came to me. She came all the way from Norway, in fact, to study with me on the Ultimate Acting Programme. You know, you've got to be pretty committed to come from another country, as it were, fly over from Norway to the UK in order to do that. And to be fair, there's some actors or some people that might not actually go down to the end of the road to get acting classes. So that shows a level of commitment and the kind of students actually that end up on the programme. And she threw everything at it. You know, she wanted to kind of, know every aspect of the craft of acting, and she honed her skills to a really excellent level. And you always know when you've got somebody quite special because they are going above and beyond. You don't need to cajole them, you don't need to convince them to do work. It's like they are actually bringing more than expected to the process. And that's always great to work with, because obviously the more that the work increases in level, which allows me, of course, as a teacher to increase the level, and we can reach a really, excellent point. Once she left the programme, she won a role in an American Horror Story, which was quite a big production over there in Los Angeles. And she ended up working with Lady Gaga. So she was delighted about that, over the moon about that. And she went on to do some other productions over there as well. So, it paid off in the end. Putting in the hard work, putting in the effort and becoming really good at our craft meant that she could play with the big players. And yeah, she loved it.